story. I got this camera that I'm recording on in 2016 after graduating college, and I made a vow to myself that I was gonna record my travels and document all the cool things I was doing. And you know what I did? I took my camera out and I did cool stuff and I filmed it, and then you know what I did with the video? I did nothing. I kept it on my computer until my computer was full, and now I have all these amazing videos and memories with nowhere to go. So I've made a vow to myself that I'm not going to do that anymore, and I'm going to compile those videos so that I have compact, organized videos of my adventures. So here I come to you 2 days before I board the longest flight I've ever been on to Tokyo, Japan, which to say that I'm minorly excited is an understatement. So I wanted to show you kind of my progress, and by progress I mean my lack of progress in packing. So we're just gonna give you a little tour of my current room. So here we have my carry-on, drawers full of stuff, more stuff. My suitcase number 1, more stuff. Apparently I thought I was preparing for the apocalypse of food, and more stuff. Oh my gosh, is that more stuff? That's more stuff. This is an empty bed because I think Norwegian probably knew that I didn't have the capacity of space to have a roommate. So I luckily don't have one. And I mean luckily, not because I don't like other humans, but because literally where would their stuff go? Because this is my closet. I've kind of taken over, look, stuff, more stuff, shoes, more stuff. So basically when you fly, I don't know if you've ever flown, I'm sure you have, you can have a 50-pound suitcase, basically. I currently have 2 suitcases that weighed 50 pounds and a carry-on that's full. And then my mom shipped me stuff from home because I was in New York City before this, where it was winter. So she sent me 14 more pounds of stuff. So if you do the math there, I don't have room. So things are looking up, but it's fine. It's all gonna work out. I'm sure I'll update you, be crying, looking stressed. So just taking this moment where I have some makeup on my face, appreciate it, because I won't have makeup on my face next time. So let's focus. I would also like to just quickly comment on my 6 chin. I just want to like put it out there. I'm very aware that I have them. I'm very self-conscious about it, but like it's fine. I use comedy to hide my insecurities. So let's just like admire the 6 chins that I have. They run in my family, so get to know them. You're gonna be besties because a lot of time the camera will be here. So I'll try and do this like upper angle, because look, you can't really see it, but oh, there she is again. Look how cute that is. Things I do to avoid packing. All right, here she is, everyone. The true beauty, Brittany Hauk. I promised that the next time you saw me, I would not be wearing makeup. And boy, did I come through or what? Because not only am I not wearing makeup, but haven't slept in a long time. This is fun, that's fun. Let's just say the people on the plane tomorrow are getting the best of the best. So it's currently 1:59 in the morning, and I'm finishing my laundry, and I'm currently also not wearing pants. So that's exciting. So I just wanted to check in and say that packing was an absolute nightmare and stressful, but it's done, and I guess I should show you now what it looks like. Hold on. So we still got some things around here because I just can't figure out how to pick up things up, apparently. Listening to Greatest Showman. Okay, so we've got suitcase number 1, suitcase number 2, and then my carry-on is right here, and then I have my backpack right there. And then I have some laundry that's going on. So you're probably thinking, Brittany, like that's a lot of suitcase. How long are you even gonna be on the ship? And you know what, to all you haters, I say shh, shh. But also I did get this contract on this is not focusing. I did get this contract on very little notice, so I had a lot of my winter stuff, and I already had this baggage. Like I probably would have brought this much stuff anyway, because I don't think that a lot of people realize this, but as performers, like, we don't have a uniform. So our uniform is dressing nicely. So you have to think about heels, you have to think about dresses. You can't wear the same outfit in the same week. So if you have longer cruises, you need to be prepared to like go upstairs and interact and be upstairs with the guests and looking nice. So no judging. Also, if you work out a lot, like I do, you have a lot of workout clothes. So it's just, packing is an adventure. You really have to try and be prepared for all things, but also you only have 2 luggages. So, and especially going international, like I didn't know what to expect as far as like toiletries go. So I stocked up on tampons, things like that. You know, your shampoo, because it's not like you're docking in America every week where it's like, oh, if I run out of something, I can go get it. So things to consider. But yeah, so I'm getting picked up for my flight at 6 a.m. Our flight leaves at 9. There is a group that's getting picked up at 3:45 for their 6 a.m. flight. So I think I'm gonna go over there and have coffee with them because I don't think I'm gonna sleep tonight. Whoa! Hey, we made it to Japan! So after a 14-hour flight, oh god, my camera's breaking. We had a minor loss. My bag just decided to burst, but it's fine. We all are here. We've got all of our costumes. The Ukrainians are taking the selfie. Alexi, how do you feel about being in Tokyo?
Perfecto! Arigato? Arigato, arigato. I'm expecting for the snow! Where is the snow?
Greetings from Japan. I have to show you these PJs that I forced myself to wear because I just thought they were hilarious and they were on the bed and I was like, I must wear these. Obviously looking my best. It's about 8 p.m. and I have been asleep on my bed on accident. Someone had to bed, but we made it here and I wanted to check in. Oof, the puffs under my eyes though. Yikes. All right, guess where we are? We're back home. I just wanted to show you kind of what it looks like. First of all, we have the uplifting Dunkirk here. And then here is my room. So I haven't unpacked anything, and the singers before who were living here left a ton of stuff. So I've got to go through that and unpack all of my stuff. But I just wanted to show you the room on this ship is lovely. It's a great sized room. Got everything you need. Got my own bathroom right here. But yeah, so all the newcomers are taking safety training, so they'll take that. I took a test that basically makes sure you didn't forget how to save people on a cruise ship, and I passed. Woo! So I'll take some time to pack up, and then we'll get going to rehearsal. And I already had fittings today. It's been a busy day. It's only 2:10. I've been up since 5, so. Hello. Of this, I sent a package to the little boy I used to nanny.
Say thank you, Brittany.
And now. Oh, guys, my heart.
Okay.
I got this video from the kid I used to nanny. And shout out to the Stewarts. I hope it's okay that I say your last name on here. But I am about to cry watching this video, so I'm going to turn this off. But when you're on a cruise ship and people send you love, it is much appreciated. So yeah, my room is not done yet, so I'll check back in when it is. Hello. We're in Japan. We're in Kobe, Japan. Just talking to my camera. Tried some mochi, and now they're trying some Kobe beef.
Kobe beef sushi.
Food of Japan. Britt has bought some.
They're little like.
Wait, what? Oh. Wait, those are so cute. Here we go. Tanner. Wow. He luxuriously eats the Kobe beef. Like, what makes it better than other beef? I haven't had beef in like years. Yeah.
Because they flame it.
Ah.
And that tastes really good. A 5, 6,
Yeah.
7, 8. Oh my god, I'm nervous.
Such a cool experience.
Just all in one?
Wow,
Yeah.
that's a big bit of beef.
Chuck it all in, the flavor's great.
No, it's really good.
Yeah.
Kagoshima. Here we are.
Just bought the magnet. Just bought the magnet. We had rehearsal today.
Yes.
And there's some half-naked Japanese guys.
Oh yeah.
When you see skin, you have to like look. Especially when it's against a beautiful volcanic film, just like that.
Casual.
I'm in director heaven right now.
Yeah.
out and the cast rocks!
Yeah, Wiki out. Wow, so cool. I'll catch in the shot. Hey-o. So cool. Look at the detail on those.
Yeah.
Come across this beautiful temple, kind of on accident, with this gorgeous view of Keelung, Taiwan. When you work on a cruise ship, you all have hard drives, and sometimes you just have hard drive parties where you meet up and you exchange all your videos off your hard drive while listening to Celine Dion. Yeah, the totally legally downloaded movies and TV shows from iTunes, personally bought, and Google, and from the personal creator themselves. Yeah, everyone. Hi, where are we?
Hong Kong!
We're in Hong Kong and we're having a British day. So we're in Hong Kong, but we first went to Marks and Spencer. Then we went shopping at Pull and Bear because China. And now we're going to where?
Pizza Express.
Pizza Express.
Dough balls, and then
Gluten-free.
I'm gonna get a gluten-free Polo ad Astra without the onion
frick
extra
is that?
jalapeno.
Oh. So Jez's sister just got engaged. Woo! Jez's sister! So we're kind of doing a little Jez night, and then we're going to meet a friend. who's gonna
A
take us
Yu-Gi-Oh
around.
friend.
A Yu-Gi-Oh friend. To take us
friend.
around. And yeah, good. So Pasquale's friend Edward has taken us to Victoria Harbor, which is this incredible city view. I will show you. Hold on. Just, I don't even know if my camera, yes. Oh my God. This is insane. We're in the backseat of a Chinese taxi. And they're literally having a conversation with Google Translate.
Oh, no, wait. No, wait.
It's fascinating.
It looked so pretty. 它看起来非常漂亮.
How do you say the name of this port? Xiamen, China. Here we are. We are at this place in which we ordered with pictures on the menu. I got a nice shrimp fried rice that could have gluten in it, could have meat in it. We're not sure. Probably has gluten and meat, but we're just gonna hope that my voice is not gone tomorrow. But it's fine. Cirque. Bijou. Ew. Ew.
Wait, you need one bread.
Yes, I do. My makeup's half on.
Mr. Jim, thank
Here we
you
are.
for everything.
Cheers to opening Cirque.
Everyone got one.
Double camera.
We need to go. That is over.